Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Marcus by Goldman Sachs provides various personal loan options designed to help you achieve your financial goals. Whether you're looking to consolidate debt, finance a major purchase, or cover unexpected expenses, Marcus offers competitive interest rates and flexible repayment terms. They emphasize a straightforward and transparent loan process, making it easy to understand the terms and conditions before you commit. Their online application process is designed to be quick and convenient, allowing you to apply from the comfort of your home. Marcus also provides resources and tools to help you manage your loan effectively, including online account management and customer support. They offer fixed-rate personal loans, which provide predictability with a consistent monthly payment. This allows you to budget effectively, knowing exactly how much is due each month. Loan amounts vary, providing flexibility depending on your individual needs and borrowing capacity. Marcus emphasizes responsible lending practices and encourages borrowers to carefully consider their financial situation before applying. They provide clear information about interest rates, fees, and repayment terms, empowering you to make informed decisions. Customer service is a priority at Marcus, and they strive to provide support throughout the loan process. You can access their help resources online or by phone, providing convenient channels for assistance. They aim to make borrowing a positive experience by offering clear communication and accessible resources. When considering a personal loan, it's important to compare options from different lenders to find the best fit for your specific needs and circumstances. Exploring various lenders ensures you secure the most favorable terms and conditions. Marcus by Goldman Sachs aims to provide a competitive and customer-centric lending experience, making them a viable option to explore when considering a personal loan. They encourage borrowers to review their eligibility criteria and loan terms carefully before applying. This transparency aims to help you make an informed decision that aligns with your financial objectives. Be sure to check out their website for more detailed information on their loan products and services. Understanding the nuances of personal loans is crucial for making responsible financial choices. Marcus provides resources to assist you in this process. Remember to carefully consider your financial situation and borrowing needs before committing to any loan.